like you're such a team player. All you do is go around scaring the crap out of everyone.
At least I'm straight with people.
Whatever. I have invincibility. No one can touch me. This week.
You really are mean! And all that bad stuff people say about you is true! Like how you're a two-faced, backstabbing, lying little... I always told them they were wrong. I stood up for you because I thought we were BFFs! But they're right! You really are a two-faced, backstabbing, lying little... Guess what? I don't want to be BFFs anymore. I'd rather spend the day staring at Owen's butt than shopping with you. And P.S. Your shoes are tacky.
Yeah, you tell her. Go jump in the piranha pool.
Oh, get me off of this thing! I don't know what came over me. Oh wait, yes I do! Heather's a total